And tonight, the national and county governments are taking action on the Red Alert expose. Health Cabinet Secretary Cecily Kariuki has ordered all chief public health officials to come up with intervention measures on the safety of meat products countrywide by Monday or the 22nd of July 2019. The Nairobi City County has ordered owners and managers of the 6 affected supermarkets whose meat sections were shut down on Thursday to appear before it on the 2nd of August 2019. The officials from Tusker Mattress, Naivas Supermarkets and Muthaiga Fine Art Meat Limited will have to explain to the court why they have been using preservatives beyond the 500 milligrams per kilogram that is legally permissible according to the county court documents. Some of the proposed offences against them include processing, treating, labeling, packaging, selling or advertising food in a matter that is false, misleading and deceptive in trade. It is the responsibility of the county public health officials to ensure that such occurrences do not happen, putting a spotlight on them as they react to the expose.
Those proprietors who have been selling the meat, which had sodium metabisulfate preservative in excess of 500 parts per million, have already been charged in court, and summons have been issued by the city magistrate for them to appear in court on Friday, the 2nd of August 2019 at exactly 9 a.m. If they don't appear, I'm sure they will be arrested and will be charged again in a court of law.
For you to then be the one transacting, it means you're culpable up to a point. That charge is what the counties are working on today. My team, public health team, that you know again is involved in matters policy and intervening with TA or intervening whenever a matter goes beyond a certain threshold, is working with these teams for them then to prefer charges as a matter of fact today.